Hello guys! It's our day 4 of our trip. Ano nakaplano ngayon? Well, meron kaming tour ng Dumaguete City, ng Valencia, and hopefully, sana maabot namin yung Casaroro Falls. See you guys later. Enjoy! Tapos na kami sa Siquijor. So check out na kami. It's 6 AM at kami ngayon ay pupunta na sa Siquijor Port, pabalik ng Dumaguete City. Kukunin namin ang 7 AM fast craft ferry ng Montenegro Lines. After buying ferry tickets, we had our breakfast outside the ticketing office at the Siquijor Port.
Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares.
Para sa aming hotel sa Dumaguete City, we stayed at U Pension on Silliman Road near Silliman University, and walking distance naman to the center of Dumaguete City, including the St. Catherine Cathedral and the market. Kaya very accessible siya. Okay, and we stayed in the second floor in a family room. We have 3 single beds, malakas ang aircon. Ang problema sa kanya, yung kanyang CR, walang bidet, at yung kanyang bathroom, wala ba yung faucet sa ilalim? Meron lang siyang shower head. So we had to ask for timba and tabo. Okay, and then to collect water, galing siya dun sa shower head. And guys, there is no drinking water and coffee provided. Otherwise, maganda ang internet, malakas ang aircon, helpful din yung staff. Okay, kaya highly recommended din U Pension. Mura din lang. And we can go to the roof deck to chill and see some view of the city. So, good. So we booked a tricycle day tour from the Siquijor Port to take us to Casaroro Falls and some of the many tourist attractions of Valencia. The tricycle took us to our hotel so we can leave our luggages as we head off to our first destination, Chada, Valencia. The next stop was Casaroro Falls. So dito na nahirapan yung tricycle. So naglakad kami ni Kuya Driver kasi hindi niya kaya yung pataas. Kaya yan, lalakad na lang kami. Luckily, we were able to hire habal-habal for 100 pesos each round trip. 20 pesos lang naman per head. Required ang guide for 250 pesos for at most 3 people. Doon, 335 steps. Patumbas ng about 17 stories po, no? Tapos 400 meters pa papunta sa falls, lalakarin tayo. Matubig yun, ano? Mabato. Okay, good luck. Let's go! Baba na tayo ng Casaroro Falls. Sa umpisa ay mga simentadong steps. Madali pa. Ayan, matarek ibang part. Ito naman ang gilid ng daanan. Nako, ito na yung ating next phase ng daanan. Mula sa bato, magiging bakal na. Nahagdan. Tingnan natin, tingnan nyo, bakal na. Okay. Kita man na yung mga halaman sa ilalim. Pagkatapos ng mga steps, ayan na. Oo. So after 355 steps, 400 meters naman papunta sa falls. Ayan, nakakasalubong kami. Masampa sa bato. Ano ba to? Pag ganun.
Finally, we have reached the majestic Casaroro Falls. Casaroro Falls is 100 feet or 30 meters high in Valencia, Negros Oriental.
Okay, konti na lang. Konti na lang. Malapit na sa taas. Oh my God. Konti na lang. Malapit na. Yan na ba? Yan na ba? Konti na lang. Malapit na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayun na, nakabalik na.
Ang ganda ng Casaroro Falls. So, masaya siya. Workout. Okay, ilang kayang calories ang aming na-burn pag-akyat baba ng Casaroro Falls. Kung gaano kahirap pumunta ng Casaroro Falls, gano'n naman kadali pumunta ng Wisik Falls. Kasi yung Wisik Falls is just along the road. So it's very friendly for senior citizens and our persons with disability.
Ito ang tinatawag na Wisik Falls sa Negros Oriental sa may Valencia. Ito ay tabi lang ng highway. Kaya napakadali kahit sa mga senior citizens. Go!
The next stop is Pulang Bato Falls, very popular destination. Actually, dalawa yung falls. Isa yung sikat na mapula yung bato na sa baba ng waterfalls. Pero meron pang isa, less popular. Pero dalawa talaga sila.
Pulang Bato Falls number 2.
And then we went to Red Rock Hot Springs. It's a resort area. There are 2 pools. The water is from a hot spring. Kaya medyo maligamgam yung tubig. Not hot, maligamgam lang. Yung water ng upper pool for adults goes to the lower pool for children. Smaller children. Okay naman siya. Very commercial. Maraming tao kasi Sunday. Pero very relaxing after the long hike in Casaroro Falls. It's very soothing to the muscles, especially the leg muscles.
Ito po ang Sulphur Vent. Malapit sa Dumaguete City. Near also Valencia in Negros Oriental. Natural sulfur vents. Kaya medyo mabantot. Pasensya na po. Buti di nyo naamoy. Ako lang. Ayan po. Maangat ang sulfur.
Visitors can observe this unique geological activity along a road beside the Ocoy River in Valencia, Negros Oriental. Steam rises from the grounds of a mountain above Mount Talinit, an active volcano. There is high sulfur levels, giving therapeutic properties, but may not be the best if you have breathing issues. You can visit this on a quick stop along the way to Pulang Bato Falls.
The last stop is the Chera Alta Resort Hotel. At that time, they were preparing for, I believe, a wedding. So, maraming tables, okay, and flowers.
Wow! Ganda! Ganda! The architecture and colors are inspired by Santorini in Greece. And going through the Terrazza glass walk completed our visit. We spotted some animals along our tour.